Welcome to Terrero & Co.'s newest listing, 1849 Mary Augusta Street in Manteca. Mary Augusta Street is a 2,700 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1 full bedroom and bath downstairs. Floors have been redone, recently painted. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with new quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, freshly painted cabinets, waiting for a new homeowner. This beautiful home is new on the market. I'm Eric Terrero with PMZ Real Estate. For a personal showing or with any questions, please call me at 209-765-6900.